Hey, it's Ella with Ella and Ray White Tail Recovery. Put together a new video. Put together a new video for you. This was, I'm pretty sure, November, like November 13th or so. I can't remember the exact date. Sometime in November, got a call, and the way they described everything to me, I was pretty confident it was a leg shot, and then they eventually did find bone, and I was like, yeah, I think you got him in the leg. They were debating on going between a drone or a dog, and I told them for a leg shot especially, your best chance of recovery is going to be with a dog, especially a bait dog, because the deer's not going to be dead, and the most ethical thing you could do is put a bait dog on it. So we did, and the hunter was very skeptical about the dogs coming out there because apparently he had a bad experience with tracking dogs before, and I wanted to tell him that, like, I know it's hard to change people's minds, and if you've had a bad experience, then you probably think everybody's the same, but I assured him that we were going to do everything possible we could to get his deer, and thankfully, we ended up with a successful track. The track was around 800 yards total, and we were able to quickly get the deer bait and dispatched. Well, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Was it a lot of blood when it got down there?
No.
Or was it all kind of just like that?
Very little blood.
Might be a lower leg then. She's 150 that way. I'm guessing she's across that fire break. Might be a little lower. Let's just give her a second to see what she does. Because I don't want her to jump and then running back this way. Do you know how there's the creek that's straight that way?
That's the boundary line between him and us.
Okay, that's where she's at. She's 195 straight, 200 that way.
You got the image on me?
Yeah,
Let's see where she's at.
She's right there. That creek runs right there.
Yeah, they're out in the middle of that stuff.
Did you walk down that way?
I did, but I stopped because I didn't know what we were going to do when I got to where that deer fell, or looked like they fell.
Was he broadside when you shot?
Slightly quartered away. He probably would have been standing about like this. And I would have been about 40 yards left of where that stump's sticking up in the water.
Okay. Well, you can walk that fire. You said that fire breaks right through there. You can walk. You can walk down that way.
See, I think that was him this morning. I don't know that. That's not what I saw first. I did see that first. Here across the power line.
Is that's the power line? She's 467 that way. There's like a little pond right here.
Yeah.
I think she jumped them. You ain't gonna be able to hear.
Are you going towards them?
Yeah.
If you want to, we can walk to the fire break right here and jump right back out into the power line. Not too far from where that pond's at. Be easier walking for us.
I might just straight shot it through here because
You wanna go that way?
I'm gonna go. I think she might. I think she jumped them. She's got him bayed. She's got him bayed. Let's go, Ray. Let's go. Yeah. Talk to him, girl. Get him! Sit him down! Hey, yeah! Good dog! Good dog! Hold him! Hold him! Yes, ma'am! Get him, dog! Yes, ma'am! Hey, come on! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am! Get him, girl! Good dogs! Good dogs! Good dogs! Get him, girl! Get him, girl! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am! Get him! Yes, ma'am! Get him, dog! Good dogs! Good dogs! Good dog! Get him, Ray Ray! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am! Good girl! Get him, girls! Good dogs! Get him, girl! Good dogs! Get him! Good dog!
Hello?
Y'all can come on.
All right, where are you in relation to the pond dam?
I'm right beside it.
Temple.
Alright. Bye. Good dogs! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am! Good girl! Yes, ma'am, Ray Ray! Yes, ma'am! Yes, ma'am!
That was worth every dime. That is awesome.
Good girls! Yes, ma'am! Well, congratulations. You broke this leg right here.
Yeah, I saw it when he ran by
Yeah.
me.
Good dog, Ray Ray. Yes, ma'am. Good dog.
Bring both four-wheelers down in here. That was awesome.
Yes, ma'am. Good girl, Ray Ray.
They wouldn't found him with a drone.
No. They might have found him, but you ain't gonna. What you gonna do?
Gonna do that.
You see how she had him that held that whole time, and then as soon as he saw me, he breaks. So it's like they were able to catch him again. Hey, easy, easy, easy. Good girls. Yes, ma'am. Good girl, Ray Ray.
That is crazy.
That's a good buck there.
Now I can happily say I saved the day.
That's a great buck. Good dog.
Send that to you and your dad.
You think he's old?
Oh, good dog. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we couldn't hear her barking, but then I saw it go. It would like detect if she barks on here, and it was like 20 barks per minute. I was like, oh God, oh my God, Ray. She always pulls her butt out. That's a good girl. That's a good dog. He said he ain't getting away. He said he ain't getting away.
You still in school?
Yeah. Yeah, Newberry. Good girl.
No, you're not at Aiken anymore?
No, I transferred there, out there.
2002. I mean 2022.
So you've been watching them?
2022.
You got that long G2 on that left side.
You still playing ball?
Yeah, that's how I transferred out there. That's what, like that leg shot deer, he would have lived probably a few weeks before, unless coyotes caught him, or he died of it, like I've seen him start malnourishing. But if them coyotes would have caught him, for them dogs to catch him that easy, he would have been coyote bait. He wouldn't have He wouldn't have been dead no time soon. He went 800 yards.
800.
That's a good puppy. That's a good girl. Yeah, I was like, oh, why is she? And then did you hear me yell at you that she's got him bait? I kind of heard her faint off because it was so far and I couldn't really hear her. He's a good dog, baby.
Yeah, because you'd have turned that drone around at the power line.
He ran with me.
You want to take one with me in it?
Yeah, I can take it.
Come here, girls. Come here. You get down and hold him. I'm just going to eat you. Yo, dear. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Thank you. Ray, what? Of course.
I wouldn't mind one with the dogs too.
Ray, you want me to sit beside him or you want one by yourself?
That's fine.
Come here. Sit. Stay. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Stay. Stay. Ah. Sit down.
Got it.
Good puppy. Good girl. Come here. Go away.